Tableau workspace consists of 7 different areas. Let's start with the data pane. On the left-hand side, these are all of your columns in your data. You have a column for customer name, you have a column for profit, you have a column for sales. Tableau splits your columns into 2 different types, dimensions and measures. Dimensions are above the line in the data pane, and measures are below the line in the data pane. Dimensions cut your data. So there are things like customer name. If I put customer name onto rows, I get a single customer name for each unique name. And to remove that, measures can be summed up. So if I move profit onto text, I get a sum of profit. That brings us to other areas in the Tableau workspace. We have everything to build your view in the middle. There's a pages shelf, filters shelf, marks card, columns, and rows. In the middle of the screen is where charts and tables show up. There's also a menu, but we will not go through that today. You can drag fields from the left, from the data pane, onto the view. So if I want to drag sales up to the rows shelf, I'm going to get a column chart of just sales. You can put pills. These are called pills, sum of sales. It looks like a pill. You can move them onto columns, rows, color, size, label, detail, tooltip, filter, or pages. And they do. There's also a show me button in the top right.